Hey, welcome back to the channel. So after I recorded everything, I went downstairs on my computer, tried to edit this thing, and guess what? No audio. The mic was plugged in. I don't know what went wrong. So now I have to refilm everything again. Good thing I found out and everything was still kind of, in place. So I don't know if you guys can remember, I told you that the center console was ripped apart in my car. I also have a video of that ripped apart, but guess what? It disappeared on me. I don't know what there's some little gremlins running around here screwing with my shit, but so be it. So the center console was ripped apart because I sent it to the US to get the leather ripped off and real carbon fiber put on there because I didn't want to do a wrap. I just wanted the real thing on there and I couldn't find a console to buy. So I sent it to Northwest Carbon. Now his carbon work is really good. Like if you go check him out on Instagram, it's Northwest Carbon. He does some great stuff and no discount or anything for me either. No nothing. But like I told you guys before, whenever I find someone that does good work, I'll let you guys know. So if you want work done. So I will have all this stuff listed below. You can go check it out. Like I said, he did some really good carbon fiber work, but knowing who I am and who Frank is, what you're gonna get? Well, it's gonna be 2 Franks on this video. So there you go. We wanted to add a 2K clear on it, which is just like glossy. It's like wet. It gives that wet, glossy look. Northwest Carbon did a great job, but we just wanted to add that 2K to it. So we did that and we buffed it. And then we're gonna install it in the car. It's gonna be a short video, so you're gonna see what it looks like. And I'm telling you, oh man. And I painted a few bits on there, which you're gonna see. Now, I just wanna do all of the rest of the trim in carbon because this looks so damn good. But enough of that, let's get right into this. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna spend a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Like controller. Yeah. And I'm never gonna waste things out. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna think I want it. They don't want me to get it, want it. They don't want me to I want it. They don't wanna see me like they don't wanna see me.
Pass me the controller. Bro, I'm not passing the controller, it's still my turn. What? It's still my turn, man. It's not your turn, bro. You died twice already. Bro, I got 2 lives. Can you see this? What do you mean?
You know, I'm getting real tired of this. First the battery died, then the audio disappeared. Now footage, first of all, the footage disappeared. Then the battery died, then the audio disappeared. So guess what? I'm gonna do it one last time just for you guys. Because if it doesn't work this time, there's not gonna be any videos. But like I was saying, the carbon, it looks damn good. Northwest Carbon, you did a great job, but adding that 2K clear to it, make it look damn good. So for the third and final time, let me guys show you what it looks like. Well, there it is again. And I'm telling you, that red piece there, we had our doubts, but not anymore. Just look at the grain in that carbon. Holy jeez. Look at that. Some people say carbon's out of style and it's Kevlar. I don't think so, because this carbon looks damn good. Look at that. Look at the shine on it. Wow. I can't wait to bring this outside in the daytime. Now you can really see how it looks. Look at that. Well guys, that's another one, and thanks to Frank here, the short guy, But you know what, I'm glad the day I flagged him down, because I always see this guy terrorizing the neighborhood, just driving up and down in his BMW. And one day I said, that's it, I gotta see who this guy is. And I'm telling you, I'm glad the day I did, because this man is filled with knowledge, especially when it comes to body work and stuff like that. That's his true profession. And in the next episode, I'll tell you where he works, and trust me, you guys won't believe where he works. But that's for another time. But if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And oh, you see that thing back there? You see how ripped apart that is? Yeah. Now we're doing the first stage there. First stage of chrome, because we're gonna be doing some candy. And Frank there, not me, is gonna be painting all that red fairing. So You gotta wait. That should be the next episode, but you're gonna love the way it turned out because I'm excited. Just after seeing the way the chrome looks here, and then we're gonna put the final coat on it. That's not it, that's just the base coat, but I'm not telling you what it is yet. You're just gonna have to wait to see. And then when Frank paints it, now guess what? I'm gonna have to do my bike now because after doing this one, I can't have my bike like that, so no. But if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you guys got any questions or comments, I know this was a short video. I lost some footage, there's nothing I can do about it. And it's just a console putting it back together, so it is what it is. But on the next one, it's gonna be an in-depth one with the bike, because yeah, we're doing things from scratch. And Frank here, he's a nutball when it comes to, you know, perfection. So yeah, I like what he does, but man, yeah, it takes a while, because for perfection, he takes his time and he does his thing. And trust me, why rush it? But that's it for now, so laters. Controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go fast.